Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my all-purpose. And when I mean all-purpose, I use this for everything. Cleaners, this is this Action all-in-one dishwasher. So you may ask yourself, okay, it's just a dishwasher, but what it has? This lemon smell is really good for your dishes. But I don't only use this for dishes. I do my cleaning in my room with this, or if I have to just clean anything in my bathroom, this is like high concentrate. So it's gonna give you with the minimal use of this soap, it's going to give you the maximum performance. It will leave your dishes without any grease at all. I use this to wash my air fryer too. I use this to clean up all the places that you can find in my room and my apartment too. So it's heavy usage for it, and it's really good for all these different circumstances that I've talked to you about. So this was John with ATI, and that was my point of view.